Advanced vocabulary. Topic: economy.
Welcome to my YouTube channel, IGCSE English Kingdom.
Enjoying the content? Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more. If you found this helpful, share it with your friends. It really helps the channel grow. Thanks for watching.
Recession, economic decline over a period. Inflation, rise in prices, decreasing purchasing power. Deflation, decrease in prices, increasing money value. Stagnation, lack of growth or development. Surplus, excess of supply over demand. Deficit, shortfall of revenue compared to expenses. Subsidy, government financial support to an industry. Tariff, tax on imported goods. Quota, fixed share or limit. Gross domestic product, GDP, total value of goods and services produced. Capitalism, economic system based on private ownership. Socialism, economic system with public ownership. Privatization, transfer from public to private ownership. Nationalization, transfer from private to public ownership. Monopoly, exclusive control of a market by one company. Oligopoly, market controlled by a few firms. Entrepreneurship, starting and managing a business. Microeconomics, study of individual economic units. Macroeconomics, study of the overall economy. Fiscal policy, government spending and taxation policies. Monetary policy, central bank actions to control money supply. Exchange rate, value of one currency compared to another. Purchasing power, value of currency in buying goods. Unemployment rate, percentage of jobless individuals in the labor force. Labor market, supply and demand for labor. Wealth inequality, unequal distribution of assets. Economic boom, period of rapid economic growth. Economic bust, period of economic decline. Austerity, measures to reduce public expenditure. Hyperinflation, extremely rapid price increases. Balance of trade, difference between exports and imports. Economic sanctions, restrictions to influence a nation's economy. Debt crisis, inability to repay borrowed funds. Outsourcing, shifting jobs to other countries. Globalization, integration of economies worldwide. Free trade, unrestricted exchange of goods. Protectionism, shielding domestic industries from foreign competition. Speculation, investment with high risk for high returns. Stock market, place where shares are traded. Bonds, debt securities issued by entities. Interest rate, cost of borrowing money. Equity, ownership in a company. Liquidity, availability of liquid assets. Credit rating, assessment of creditworthiness. Mortgage, loan for purchasing property. Pension fund, fund for retirement benefits. Infrastructure, basic physical systems of a country. Devaluation, reduction in currency value. Appreciation, increase in currency value. Consumer confidence, the public's economic optimism. Disposable income, income after taxes. Standard of living, level of wealth and comfort. Human capital, skills and knowledge of people. Trade deficit, imports exceed exports. Trade surplus, exports exceed imports. Fiscal deficit, government's excess expenditure over revenue. Profit margin, difference between revenue and costs. Supply chain, sequence of production and distribution. Economies of scale, cost advantages with increased production. Demand elasticity, sensitivity of demand to price changes. Opportunity cost, foregone benefit of an alternative. Marginal cost, cost of producing one more unit. Scarcity, limited resources for unlimited wants. Cost-benefit analysis, comparison of costs and benefits. Sustainable development, growth without depleting resources. Circular economy, system minimizing waste. Black market, illegal trading activities. Gross national product, GNP, GDP plus net income from abroad. Wealth tax, tax on assets owned. Value-added tax, VAT, tax on consumption. Excise tax, tax on specific goods like alcohol. Progressive tax, higher rates for higher incomes. Regressive tax, higher burden on lower incomes, flat tax, uniform tax rate for everyone, shadow economy, unregulated or hidden economic activity, commodity, raw material or basic good, consumer goods, products for personal use, durable goods, long-lasting products, non-durable goods, short-lived products, import quotas, limits on imported goods, economic liberalization, reduction of restrictions, corporate tax, tax on company profits, welfare state, government providing extensive social benefits, market economy driven by supply and demand, command economy controlled by the government, mixed economy, combination of market and government control, deindustrialization, decline of industrial activity, gig economy, freelance or temporary jobs, blockchain, digital ledger technology, cryptocurrency, digital or virtual currency, foreign direct investment, FDI, investment in another country, remittance, money sent back by expatriates, trade liberalization, removing trade barriers, crowdfunding, raising funds from the public, venture capital, funding for startups, economic indicator, measure of economic performance. Consumer Price Index is CPI. Measure of price changes over time. Economic convergence, equalizing of wealth among nations. Knowledge economy, based on intellectual capabilities. Digital economy, economy based on digital technologies.